Hello and welcome to this video. The diagram shows a semicircle with centre O and radius 2 and a semicircular arc with diameter PR. We are also told the angle POR is a right angle. Therefore, what is the area of the shaded region? This question was taken from the ukmt Intermediate Maths Challenge 2021. If you'd like to give this problem a go, make sure to pause the video now. Okay, we're going to go through it. So this is the semicircular arch mentioned in the question. So what we have to do is find the area of the semicircle and then take away the area of the segment made by the chord that we have just drawn. So this is the chord, and basically what we have to do is find the area of this semicircle and take away this piece to get only the shaded area. So to find the area of both of them, we need the radius of the shaded semicircle. And right here we have its diameter. So we can use Pythagoras' theorem as we have two sides of a right angle triangle. So Pythagoras' theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So let's input our values for 2 and 2, which gives us 2 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. So c would be the square root of 8, which is 2 square root of 2. Hence, the diameter of the semicircle is 2 root 2, so the radius is the square root of 2. So let's put this into our diagram. Now moving on, we want to find the area of the semicircle. So area of a semicircle is pi r squared divided by 2. Put in our root 2. Root 2 squared will be 2, so we have 2 pi over 2, which is pi. So now we need to find the area of the section formed by the chord. So there are 3 steps in this. The first is find the area of the right angle triangle. The second is find the area of the segment, which is half of the big semicircle. And finally, we want to take away the result from step 1, from step 2, and now we have the area of the segment. So let's go through these. So to find the area of the right angle triangle, it was a right angle triangle with both sides being 2. And we don't need the hypotenuse here, because the area of a triangle is base times height over 2. And we have both of those, 2 and 2, so it'll be 2 times 2 over 2, giving us an area of 2. Now for step 2, find the area of the segment. Let's draw ourselves the segment, and we have the radii of 2, same radius, and for half of a semicircle is half a circle, so half of that will be a quarter of a circle, so the formula would be pi r squared over 4. So inputting 2 as our r, we have 4 pi over 4, giving us an area of pi. And finally, step 3, take away the result from step 1, from step 2. So if you do that, we have pi minus 2. Okay, so now we have both of them. So finally, to find the shaded area, you must take away the area of the semicircle from the area of the segment. We established that the area of the semicircle is pi, and the segment is pi minus 2. Pi take away pi minus 2. The pi's cancel each other out, and this gives us an area of 2, which is our answer. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.